The power of impact. Understanding, leave a lasting mark. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unravel its intricacies together. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in movies, speeches, or read in books. Leave a lasting mark. Join us as we break down what this phrase means, its origins, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations to sound more like a native speaker. To leave a lasting mark means to have a significant, enduring impact on something or someone. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from personal relationships to global events. It suggests that the effect or influence of the action or individual is so profound that it remains memorable or significant over a long period, often outliving the source itself. While the exact origin of this phrase is hard to pinpoint, it's rooted in the literal action of leaving a mark on a surface, which is visible over time. Metaphorically, this has evolved to represent the idea of leaving a deep impression that isn't easily erased. It embodies the desire to contribute something meaningful that will be remembered or make a difference in the long run. Personal influence. Her kindness and wisdom have left a lasting mark on me. I'm a better person because of her influence. Professional achievements. The groundbreaking research conducted by the team has left a lasting mark on the field of science. Historical events. The civil rights movement has left a lasting mark on society, shaping the course of history. 1. Emphasizing impact. Use this phrase when you want to highlight the significant, long-term effects of an action or person. 2. Reflective statements. It's perfect for expressing how certain experiences or individuals have influenced you or others profoundly. 3. Describing achievements. Ideal for discussing achievements, innovations, or events that have made a considerable difference in a field or community. Leave a lasting mark is more than just a phrase. It's a powerful concept that encapsulates the essence of influence and legacy. Whether it's through personal actions, contributions to society, or innovations, we all have the potential to make a difference that resonates beyond our time. We hope this video helps you grasp the depth of this expression and inspires you to think about the mark you wish to leave on the world. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.